Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. I just wanted to finalize the actual big inverter that I just finished building. So this is 2000 watts and it peaks out at 4000 watts. So you can put any load up to 2000 watts. Yeah, load on it. So let's get started, guys. So what I just done was I wired in a fan. I'm gonna start this thing up now. It's on a car battery right there, and this is reading 13.13 volts. So we'll turn it on. It didn't turn on last time, remember? Had a loose wire in the back of the switch here. So out of here, there's two plugs, and it comes down to this 4-pin board here. And I've got a couple of items that I wanted to run off it to see if it would run them without it tripping this off, or just to see if it could run it. One of them was the bench grinder, and the other one is a drill, and another one is just a light up here on my stand here that I just got screwed into this stand. Now, I'm not using these little batteries because these are only 9 amp hour batteries, and this one, it can take much more of a load. When you're dealing with big inverters like this, you want car batteries. You'll burn these little batteries out if you try to run big loads off it. So anyways, let's get the light on. Okay, someone's messied that plug up. Alright, so the light's on here, so let's go around the side here with this light, and I'll quickly show you in the back here. I know it's not the prettiest, but it works, and it's all done properly. So the two wires, so that there, those two connections, positive up the top, negative at the bottom, that's going back to the battery. And these two wires here go back to those two red and black ones. They go, the red one of the red ones goes to the switch, and then out of the switch back to the red one, back to the fan, right? So let's turn it on. There it is, it's working perfectly. Now this is an extractor fan. It doesn't blow air in, it sucks air out. And as it's drawing air in from the bottom, there's a lot of little holes that it draws air through, making it cool because of the small holes. Now let's get back to this. This is the front. Okay, so let's just try and start some things up. As you can see, the drawer off already. It's it'll come down very slowly, just with this one bulb going on one car battery. There's nothing recharging this battery up or nothing, so it's just. But yeah, my videos are only 5 minutes long because that's all the actual space I have in my phone before it maxes out. So let's just try and start something. Here's the drill that's plugged in. There it is. It'll spring back up again. Now let's have a look at this. Will it start this by itself? I like to give it a little bit of a hand. It's an induction motor. So yeah, whoops, I missed the drawer off. That went right down. Went right down to close to 8 volts or something or other. But it can run it. So it must have settled somewhere around. What's up with my meter? Right, so it can run that and pretty much start it by itself. I was going to put a pull start on this side here off a lawnmower to actually kickstart this in for when I do the self-running project, But you know, that self-running project, I gotta still come up with all 9 amp hour batteries and rerun the test again. And I have one bridge rectifier here, which I can come back off from 3 phases just off 2, getting a lower power, and another one here, which is a bridge rectifier out of a car, which I can come off 3 pins and get even more power to charge up, you know, four batteries at once, which will be like 48 volts or something or other, and just tap off one remaining, keeping it going all the time. And if that one gets flat, you can alternate out to the other 3. So yeah, keeping it going. So there's ways around it, guys. So yeah, trying to find the middle ground. So this has come down to that, and only the light's really running. So fan's going good. Is it warm? No, it's not warm at all. It's cold. Battery's not warm. And this could run all night easily, just by itself, with no charge going back into it. So yeah, awesome stuff, guys. I shall see you in the next up and coming vid. And yeah, this was just finalising the inverter. So finally got to see it all going, guys. So cool. Fans in, working good. Cool. Cruiser man out, guys. Awesome stuff.